To be even more flexible, you can also connect to your Fotoware DAM with our Fotoware mobile app. Log into the app by using your normal login data. Get the overview in which archives or albums you have worked, which files you have viewed or edited recently for quick access. Browse through all your archives, albums, and pins. Use the global search field to find assets fast. Also in the app, you are able to see the workflow markers that indicate specific metadata values already in the thumbnail overview. Click on a file to see further workflow options. Pin it to your favorites. Add it to an album. Share it directly with your contacts via various apps that allow file sharing. Or choose within More a workflow action for this asset. View and edit the details of an asset by clicking on the arrow icon here. Upload your files by simply clicking on the plus button. You can now choose to upload images that were already taken or take a new video or photo directly within the app to have them available in your system within seconds. Choose the archive in which you want to upload and fill in the relevant metadata fields. Depending on your archive settings, you have to fill in required fields. If they are not filled in, upload won't be possible. If you want to collect some images and share them internally or externally, start with searching the assets you need. Click now on the three dots to either add them to an existing album, create a new album, or create a shared album to which your logged-in colleagues can contribute to. We'll create a new album here. Choose a name, add a short description, and tags to find it easily later. Click on Create Album and find the new album in your Albums tab. Choose how you want your files to be displayed for a better overview here. To edit the details of the album, click here on the pencil. By clicking on the three dots, you have the option to get a public link to this album, share it, edit it, and more. I now want to share this album. Simply type the name of an internal user or an external email. Add a message before sending. By clicking on Save Changes, your album is now sent. If you need to adjust some settings to suit your preferences, select here the Settings icon. You are now presented with 4 choices. Manage consent forms. Select this to work with consent forms in the app. Note that this is only available if enabled in your system. Compact mode. Toggle to turn compact mode on or off. When it is on, the spacing between headers, input fields, and similar elements is trimmed to appear more compact. Change password. Log out. Please note that general settings, such as light or dark mode, and language settings depend on the general settings of your phone and cannot be changed within the app. If you want to learn more about how to use Fotoware, visit learn.fotoware.com or check out some of our other videos for more tips and tricks.